Happy New Year, everyone! I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Let's get cooking, guys! I'm so excited to share this chili recipe to everyone because it's the best chili I had so far. First, put oil in a hot pan and add onions. Cook it on medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes, then add garlic and cook till fragrant. I put together the list of ingredients and measurements I used at the end of this video. After a few minutes, add ground turkey, or you can also use ground beef. Break it apart, season with salt and pepper, and cook the turkey until it's no longer pink. It's about 7 to 8 minutes. Then add dried oregano, cilantro, paprika, chili powder, ground cumin, and cayenne. Mix it and add rotel. I used original rotel, which is a mixture of diced tomatoes and green chilies. If you like it spicy, use mild or hot rotel, or you can add more chili powder and cayenne. Then add tomato sauce and tomato paste and mix. Then add vegetable broth. You can also use chicken broth, beef broth, or water. Then add vegetable bouillon. You can also use chicken or beef bouillon cubes to add more flavor. Then add black beans, corn, carrots, celery, zucchini, or green bell peppers if using. Mix a little and season it with salt and black pepper. Mix everything, bring it to a boil, reduce heat to medium, and simmer for 25 to 35 minutes or until the chili thickens and the flavors come together. Taste it and add salt if needed. The chili is good by itself, but you can put garnish like avocado, jalapeno, sour cream, shredded cheese, green onions, fresh cilantro, and chopped tomatoes. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.